Good. Today we will discuss about today we will discuss about the syllabus. Today we will discuss about the syllabus. Okay, what the exactly we are having the syllabus for BCom third semester. BCom third semester ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು syllabus ಅದ that too on ಯಾವುದ್ರೊಳಗ okay for corporate accounting. Are you okay? Corporate accounting one. Then what exactly the corporate accounting? You know that. Okay, we studied. We are going to handle the accounting for companies. Correct? Companies ದೊಳಗೆ ಏನೇನ್ transactions ಆಗ್ತಲ್ಲ, we are going to study about the transactions relating to the companies. Okay, that is called as corporate accounting. The accounting for the corporates. Accounting for the corporates, that will become the corporate accounting. Okay, you are having the two parts, corporate accounting 1 and corporate accounting 2. Corporate accounting 1 third semester ಕಲಿತ್ರಿ, corporate accounting 2 fourth semester you are going to learn that. Okay, understood? Raise your hand if it is understood what exactly I am telling you. Okay, good. Then it will be of the maximum 80 marks. Okay, you will get the 20 internal marks, as you know. Okay, the exam duration will be the 3 hours. Okay, you are having 5 units. Yes, units of the corporate accounting. So you are having how much units? That is 5 units. Okay, today I will explain you what exactly the 5 units we are having, then what it says. Okay, ಇದು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಈಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. Then the first accounting, of course, the first unit will be the company final account. Company final account. Already you learned about the final account. ಏನೇನ್ ಬರ್ತಾವು chat box ನೇ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. final accounts ನಾಗ final accounts ನಾಗ ಏನೇನ್ ಬರ್ತದ chat box ನೇ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. One will be the profit and loss account. Yes or no? Second one will be the balance sheet. Definitely the balance sheet and the profit and loss account. To prepare the balance sheet, there is a necessary of preparation of profit and loss account. Then we should prepare the profit and loss account and the balance sheet. In the traditional method, we used to solve the balance sheet through the horizontal type of balance sheet. Horizontal hengirtittu, profit and loss account hengirtittu. This is the profit and loss account. Balance sheet no hengirtittu. Yes or no? Correct? ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನ್ ಹಚ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಹಚ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಹಚ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ವು, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ವು. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಗುಡ್. Then but this type of the balance sheet, this type of representation of the balance sheet proves wrong somewhere in the analysis. Okay, something in a it becomes tough to the so many boards. Okay, so many requirement authorities. Okay, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಾಯ್ತು tough ಆಯ್ತು, then which is not good as per the international standards also. Okay, international standards ದೊಳಗು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ problem face ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು because of the disclosure of the accounting and some investment. We are getting the investment from the FDI and so many things. Okay, then ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ದೊಳಗ ಅಮೆಂಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವುದು ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್. ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಮೆಂಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ 6th schedule ಅಮೆಂಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಪೂರ 2013 ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆತ್ಲಾ, then ಅದ್ರೊಳಗು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರು, ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್. ಏನ್ ನಡೆದಲ್ಲ ಇದು, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ತದ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ okay, I will show you how it will be the vertical and the thing ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ in explanation. Understood what exactly the final accounts we are having? Okay, then what is the first unit of here? First unit ಏನದ ನೋಡ್ರಲೆ, company final accounts. Company final accounts. Then what are the final accounts? You know that profit and loss account and balance sheet. What we are going to learn in this company finance ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ ಏನ್ ಕಲಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು, of course preparation. ಏನ್ ಕಲಿತೀವಿ in the case of the first unit, the preparation of final account. What we are going to learn here, preparation of final account, preparation of final account, as well as we, okay, but that too in under vertical method. ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ದೋ ಕಲಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅಂಡರ್ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ದೋಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಕಲಿತೀವಿ. Okay, then there are some provisions relating to the preparation of final account. Ondistu provisions adao, ondistu rules and regulations adao relating to the preparation of final accounts. We are going to learn in these situations, and as well as we are going to learn the final accounts ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತಾವು. Final accounts ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು ಅಗಳ ಹೇಳಿವಿ, ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಿರಿ. That is final accounts, the profit and loss account, and the balance sheet. Profit and loss account and the balance sheet we are going to learn in this sections. Understood the first unit, what we are having for the first unit, that is the final account. Any confusion? Raise your hand if it is understood, or put it to the chat box. Good. Okay, the next thing will be the next. Okay, thank you all of you. Okay, the next unit will be, what will be the next unit? The next unit will be the valuation of goodwill. Already I explained you in one class, that is the valuation of goodwill. Valuation is also asset. Howda ilro? Sorry, goodwill is also asset, that too intangible. Yes or no? Goodwill is also asset that is intangible. Okay, then what is the valuation? Whatever the assets you are going to have, that you are going to value it. Vein ittu, car ittu, you can value it. Okay, phone ittu, you can value it. Then these are all tangible assets. Building ittu, building then you can value it. Yes or no? Value ಮಾಡಬಹುದಿಲ್ಲ. But when it comes to the goodwill which is intangible, goodwill which is intangible, how you are going to value it? Idin hang value ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೀವು. Okay, there should be the purpose. Okay, when it comparing, if you are comparing these assets to this asset, goodwill ಗೆ intangible ಗೆ tangible ಇದನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ, then you will have the physical assets that you can value it by applying the so many techniques and technologies. But what about the goodwill? Goodwill hang ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. It's an emotion of the market, it's a reputation earned by the company, it's a value earned by the company. Then there are so many rules and regulations about performance of the company. On the basis of performance of the company, on the basis of the profit earned by the company, on the basis of the reputation they are having, on the basis of the market capacity they have earned in the process of this business. Okay, then we are having the so many. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ಅದಾವು goodwill prepare ಇದನ್ನ calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ methods ಅದಾವು, that is meaning and types. Okay, then in the case of what is the exactly the goodwill, we are going to learn about what exactly the goodwill. Then we are going to learn about the what exactly the type, what are the types of methods. Then what are the factors determining the value of goodwill. Goodwill na ಯಾವ factor determine ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ ಇವಲ್ಲ, performance, profit, okay, good management, and employee capacity. These are the determinants of the factors determining the value of goodwill and the need of valuation. Why we have to value the goodwill? ಎದಕ್ ನಾವು goodwill in value ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Yes or no? Then the methods, we are having the so many types of methods. In that method we are going to learn normal profit method. ಒಂದನೇದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಲಿತೀವಿ ಈಗ? Normal profit method ಅನ್ನು ಕಲಿತೀವಿ. Next super profit method ಅನ್ನು ಕಲಿತೀವಿ, and capitalization method ಕಲಿತೀವಿ. 3 methods we are going to learn in this chapter. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು? First one ಯಾವ್ದು? Normal profit method. Second one super profit method. Third one capitalization method. We are going to learn in the second chapter. Any confusion? Raise your hand if it is okay, if you understood the what exactly the goodwill chapter ante ಹೇಳಿ. Good. Next, what about the third chapter? What exactly we are having the third chapter? In the same sense, whatever the goodwill we are having, that is the assets. Okay, then we are from the reputation, we are going to earn something, that is the goodwill and such thing. Okay, then if you are starting the company start ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ you are going to issue the shares. Issue ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಇದ್ರೋ ಕಲ್ತಿರಿ secretarial practice ದೊಳಗ there are share capital ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದ. Yes or no? What is share capital ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ ನಿಮಗ? Secretarial practice ದೊಳಗ ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ what exactly the share, then what are the types of shares ಬರ್ತಾವು, preferential shares, equity shares, ಅದ್ರೊಳಗ preferential shares though convertible, non convertible, redeemable, irredeemable, participating, non participating, all the types of shares we are having. Then we have to value the shares. The valuation of the shares will change according to some factors changes. ಏನಾರ some factors change ಆಯ್ತು ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ದೊಳಗ, then the valuation of the shares increase ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Then ಹೆಂಗ, if you have purchased the share for rupees 10 rupees, okay, 10 rupees purchase ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ after 10 years, okay, it may reach the 1000 rupees. Definitely it may reach the 1000 rupees, ಆಗೋದ್ಲ 1000 rupees. How you are going to value these shares? ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಓಕೆ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು, then you are going to value it. How you are going to value it? On the basis of the market price and such things. Then how you are going to value the shares you brought in previous years, but what will be the current rate of the shares? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಶೇರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರಿ, ನೀವು 10 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಶೇರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ, ಈಗಿನ ಶೇರಿನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. How you are going to, okay, how you are going to value that shares? Okay, you are going to value that shares on the basis of the accounting methods. ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು methods ಅದಾವು, ಆ methods ಅನ್ನು apply ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. You are going to apply those methods and you are going to value the shares. Why the value? Then why we should value the shares? Okay, only the almost all the people used to value the shares when there is a sale of the company. ಕಂಪನಿ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಸೇರನ್ನು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ, ಓಕೆ, ರೀ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ, ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರೋದಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್? ಹೌ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ದ ಶೇರ್ಸ್? The first method is net asset method ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದ. Second one yield basis method ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದ. ಇದು first base and ಇದು second, and the fair value method ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದ. Then this is the third one. This is the third one. ಎಷ್ಟು methods ಅದಾವು? How many methods we are having? We are having the 3 methods, okay, in the valuation of shares. Anything understood? If it is understood, just raise your hand fast. Good. Good. Then we'll move to the fourth method, fourth unit. What exactly the fourth method is? The fourth thing, this is also final accounting. This is also corporate account, but the corporate type is different here. This is the banking company. All you are running the, okay, running with the banking law. Ellaru banking law ಕಲಿಲಿಕತ್ತೀರಿ ಈಗ. Okay, banking law ಒಂದು separate ಇದನ್ನದ law ಅದ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? Put into the chat box. Banking regulation act 1949. This is the banking regulation act. Correct? Yes or no? Put into the chat box if it is yes. Yes or no? Okay. The only simple thing, then we are banking is also a business, but it's a banking business. If when we compare it, this business to the other businesses, ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಪನಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೇವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, then their activities and the characteristics of the company will be different. Banking do of course electricity and insurance companies then ಆಗ್ತದ, whatever the characteristics and the things are there which are very different from the other companies. ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ಅವರು? They have passed a different act to uh, to organize, to authorize the banks and to formulate the rules and regulations for a banking company. Then every bank should prepare the banking profit and loss account and the balance sheet as per the Banking Regulation Act, not as per the Companies Act. Companies Act ದವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1ನೇ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ದೊಳಗ, ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫಾಲೋ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್. ಉಳ್ಕಿದ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಂಪನಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕಂಪನಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಹತ್ತಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ, ದೆನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ, ದೆನ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ. They are having a different type of accounting system. Yav company the accounting system bare adavu. Banking company they are having a different types of accounting system. Electricity company is also having a different type of accounting system. Insurance company we another different type of accounting systems. So only apart from these companies, all the companies are going to follow the company's final accounts as per 2013 Companies Act. But when it comes to banking company is going to prepare the balance sheet and the profit and loss account as shown by as authorized by the Banking Regulation Act 1949. 1949 ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, we should prepare the banking accounts. Yes or no? Okay. Then what are the books the bank uses, then maintains? The what are the register to be maintained by the banks? Yav register maintain ಮಾಡಬೇಕು bank ದವರು. Then what is the slip system of posting, and what is the rebate on bill discounted ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದ. Then what is the schedule of advance ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದ. What is NPA ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದ. What is legal provisions relating to the preparation of final accounts ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದ. Okay. Then hangandre these are the why we are preparing the different type of the balance sheet here. Whatever the terms, whatever the product of the company is different from, totally different from the other companies. Bare companies ಗೆ ಈ companies ಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಏನದ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಇರ್ತದ, ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ. ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೋನ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಇಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ. ದೆನ್ ಹಂಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು process with these type of activities. Because of that, of course, they have to prepare a different type of final accounts. Okay, ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, different type of final accounts ನ prepare ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾರು, banking accounts. Understood? Raise your hand if it is understood. ತಿಳಿತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೈ ಮೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, or put into the chat box. ಮಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರನ ಹಚ್ಚಿ what I am telling you.